if you are not guilty of the crime, you don't run away, ne? You don't set your account to private. People that are usually innocent will come out and discredit the false information spread about them. But no, Sana, not to Kimberly, otherwise known as Kim K, uti ungu, it's Kim K, who is rumored to be dating DJ Zinhle's husband, Mudabongs. This little girl who has the nerve, the lever to date a husband to a woman of that stature. Okay, a bottle girl was not shy to post Mudabongs on her TikTok before they were exposed, and Muda was following her as well, right in front of us, guys, and we didn't know. How would we have known Gepofu? But Musa found out. Musa Kaula, you know. Baganjani and Yaz, what I know is that there's always someone close to you who will betray you and run to the bloggers, and I definitely think that is what happened here. Hello, hi, welcome. I am Simi Sotashe, your chummy that is always ready to spill the tea, no fear or favor, honey. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel and you hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any new videos we upload. Now let's get into this never-ending mess. Kimberly has shut us off her social media pages and comment section. In other words, ubalekile guys, this makes us believe that there's definitely truth in all of this. Was she told to set her account to private? Was she told not to say anything? Because this just happened a day ago. An ordinary person would definitely respond to rumors, especially seeing that she is trending, but not to Kim San, not to Kim K San or Kim Kardashian. The evidence lies on those accounts, Kesana, that she has set to private, because we have already seen that she's posted Umuda before. There was still a lot of clues we could have gotten, Pana, because Galotina is a detective, Zojonga, who was there this time, Kwatini. But just like that. We are following this Mkosi because we keep on getting new twists and turns, because who knew that DJ Zinhle would be rumored to be cheating as well? But then again, if it's an open marriage, is it cheating? You know I'm always here for your comments, so I will see you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.